Want to start making money with AI art, but don't know where to begin? In this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to create stunning AI-generated art using Leonardo AI and sell it on Etsy, where some sellers are making $500 to $2,000 a month in passive income. No design skills, no experience. Just follow along and I'll show you how to get started today. First, head over to Leonardo AI and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, click Create and select the AI model you want to use. Before generating our images, let's get the perfect prompt. Open ChatGPT and type, "Give me 10 unique AI art prompts for futuristic wall prints." You'll get different creative styles to choose from. Now paste the selected prompt into Leonardo AI. Choose your preferred settings, resolution, lighting, and style, and then click Generate. Wait a few seconds and watch your AI-generated art come to life. Boom! Your AI-generated art is ready. If you want adjustments, tweak the settings and rerun the generation. Once happy with the result, click Download. Now, let's move to Etsy. Next, let's upload our AI-generated art to Etsy and start selling. Go to Etsy.com, click Sign In, and create an account. If you don't have one yet, follow the on-screen prompts to register. Now, let's set up our account. Click on Sign In at the top right. This will bring up a pop-up screen where you can choose how to register. I recommend selecting Continue with Google for a quick setup, but you can also choose another method if you prefer. Once your account is set up, click Sell on Etsy. Etsy will guide you through the setup. When asked what you need help with, select Selling Online and Continue. Now we're at the exciting part, setting up our Etsy shop. Let's walk through it step by step. When choose your shop preferences, select your currency and language. 2. Pick a shop name. Keep it catchy and relevant to AI art. 3. Start your shop setup. Click Save and Continue. Now it's time to list our first digital product. First, let's fill in the core details of our listing. 1 category, select digital art, prints and posters. 2 product type, choose digital file, since we're selling a downloadable artwork. 3, who made it? Select I did. 4, what is it? Choose a finished product. 5 year created, set it to 2020 to 2025. 6 created. With, select with an AI generator. Click Save and Continue to move to the next step. Now let's add product details. Now, let's make our product stand out with a great title and description. For the title, let's go back to ChatGPT and type, "Generate a catchy Etsy title for futuristic AI wall art." Copy the best one and paste it into the title field. Next, upload the AI-generated images we downloaded from Leonardo AI. Simply drag and drop them into the photo section. You can also change the thumbnail if you want a different image to be the first thing buyers see. Now, let's add the actual digital file for buyers to download. Click Upload Digital File and select the high-resolution artwork we created earlier. Buyers will automatically receive this file after purchase. For the description, let's use ChatGPT again. Type, "Write a compelling Etsy product description for futuristic AI-generated wall art." Copy and paste it into the description box. Next, let's set the price. AI-generated art typically sells for anywhere between $5 to $50. To attract more buyers, I recommend starting with a price between $10 and $15. Once everything looks good, Click Publish, and congratulations! Your AI-generated art is now live on Etsy. Now that your Etsy store is almost ready, it's time to set up how you'll get paid. Etsy Payments gives buyers the most trusted payment options while also protecting sellers. Scroll down, and under Getting Paid on Etsy, select your country. For most people, this will be set to the United States by default. Once done, scroll down and select whether you're selling as an individual or business. Most people starting out should choose individual. Then, click Save and Continue. Before Etsy can approve your store, you'll need to verify your identity. This ensures secure transactions and protects buyers and sellers from fraud. You'll be asked to upload a photo of your government-issued ID and take a quick selfie. Make sure your ID is clear and matches the details you provided. After submitting, Etsy will process your verification. This usually takes a few minutes, but in some cases, it may take up to 24 hours. Once your identity is approved, you'll see a confirmation screen saying, "Your identity has been verified." Click Continue Shop Setup. Enter your credit or debit card details. Then fill out your billing address. Double-check everything and click Review Setup Fee and Continue. Almost there. Now, we need to set up billing details for Etsy fees. Etsy charges a one-time setup fee of $29 and a listing fee of 20 cents per item. But don't worry, if your store makes a sale, this can be covered by your earnings. That's it. Your store is now live and ready for customers. Etsy will take you to your Shop Manager dashboard where you can track your listings, orders, and stats. To start getting sales, consider adding more listings so your store appears in more searches. And don't forget to optimize your Etsy search visibility under the Shop Manager settings.